Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo EVO 2, and this is by Bburago, and this is a 1:43 scale. And yeah, I will showcase it one more time. Yeah, I bought it for the revised MRP, which is 1,171. Honestly, this is a very uh, decent pricing. I mean, I would say this is a good pricing to be honest, because the scale is really good, and even Kinsmart are now getting sold for 1,500 or 1,000 rupees. Kinsmart I used to buy just a year back for just 600 rupees and without any box. So that's how it used to come, like, one huge box. It has like, I don't know, 15 or 20 pieces. So that's how it used to sell even in other countries. But nowadays they are putting it in a small cardboard box with this kind of transparent blister, and but it is not acrylic, it's just a cardboard box, and they are charging 1,500 for it. Most of the shops are charging 1,500 for it. Don't buy for that much price. It's not worth that much. I would put it in a range between 600 to 700, not more than that. Even for 1,000 rupees, do not buy that Kinsmart. Kinsmart is actually really nice. I mean, it is a very beautiful brand, and they do really nice castings, even some older castings like Lamborghini Miura, Veneno, and also. I do have all these castings with me. So, no other brands are doing this on that specific scale. But the price range which they are doing now, I don't know. People are saying because of the BA certification, the price got increased. Some other stories are saying, but honestly it is not that. I don't know how it got to that price, but it is mentioned at 1,500 now. I just saw multiple MRP stickers in multiple shops, but there are some shops who are selling for 1,000 if you are able to get it for even without box. I'm talking about 600 to 700, max to max 800. That's a good price. Okay, I took so much of time. So with that said, let's unbox this one first. So this one is really nice. I mean, this is a hard acrylic case. I really like Bburago for this because you don't need to worry about the casting taking a damage or anything. Because even the signature series, Ferrari signature series, which I have, I really want to sell that, but I don't know. Maybe people are not interested in Ferrari on that in this particular scale. So I still have, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 of it. Okay, you can see the. Okay, this is, yeah, this is stuck to this acrylic. Oh my god. So you can see the Lamborghini logo here. So let me keep this aside. I don't want to damage the car. I'll put this aside as well. Okay, so let's open this. I mean, remove this. Yeah, this is really simple, I guess. I mean, let me try. It says open this way, I think. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it is really easy, guys. I mean, I don't know why other brands are not following this. This is very simple. This is a plastic piece here, just in a twist to unscrew it. The base is actually plastic, so just a little bit of shiny plastic, nothing special. So let me just put this aside, and we will talk about the casting now. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, and so for your information, this doesn't have any opening parts, so you need to be aware about that first, because most of the 1 is to 43, or even there is one more 36 scales, they don't have moving parts. Only on Kinsmart they are having moving parts, as far as I know. So they are really good for the price as well. And the hood details looks really nice, and it has acrylic headlights, and it does have grill details here. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. I'm just trying to put as much light as I can. Okay, and so the rear view mirrors are actually, I don't know if it is plastic or metal, but it is not silicon or rubber, something like that. I think this is plastic piece, yeah, but it looks really cool. And you can see here. Let me just see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so let me try a little bit more. just experimenting a little bit, guys, so don't mistake me. So you can see there is a, yeah, I think now it is in focus. You can see there is a small glass piece there, which I really like. That is not sticker, that is a small piece of, I don't know, reflective glass or something similar to that. It has on both sides, you can see here. Yeah, I think now it is clear. So this is really good. So now let's get back to our default scale. Okay, so the interior looks really good and it is true to this particular car, and it has wiper details on the front. So the rear is actually fully covered. It has some detailing on the inside, but you can't actually able to see that clearly. But if you see through this particular slot here, it actually has some kind of detailing there. The livery looks really nice on this one. I personally like this. I personally like this color as well with that orange accents, because it looks like the, like the military version of it, like the camouflage version of it. I know this is actually this car belongs to some specific person. I really don't know who that person is. Here it says Roger Dubious. So just put it in the comment, guys, who this guy is, or if you know anything about this particular version of the car and who it belongs to, that would be really great. So myself and others can also learn it. So apart from that, Lamborghini logo looks okay. It is not really that defined. Even Majorette does better, to be very honest. Okay, so let's get to the rear. This is where I actually liked it so much. So let me see if I can put some more light in this manner. Yeah, you can see here it has, that is actually a piece of acrylic. That is actually insert. It is not just like paint or anything. There is an acrylic insert there. On top of that, they actually painted it. You can see that the exhaust looks really nice. Oh my god, I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so one more thing. Let me just revert back now. Okay, so the body is metal. It is fully metal. So the rear view mirrors are plastic, as far as I know, and the spoiler here is plastic. It has the carbon fiber detailing to it. That looks really cool. And so apart from that, there are small plastic inserts here. You can see, on top of this rear fender here, and the chassis is fully plastic. And this is just a normal Phillips screw. You can just unscrew it and see the interior if you want. And you can see the latches here where it is latched, and it is in a licensing part here. So okay, so the tires are actually rubber. These are not plastic tires. It doesn't have any suspension or anything, but like the stance wise, it is pretty good. It doesn't look really odd or awkward or anything, as you can see here. This looks really good. If you put it this way and you keep it in your showcase, that is going to look really awesome. I'm really curious if they are going to do any other color of this particular car, because I do want to own this in a different color, not just on this particular color. Maybe a dark blue, or blue with black stripe, or black with blue accents like this. It would look really cool. Or black with red accent, or blue with red accent. Blue with red always looks really good. Again, superhero color. So okay, so with that said, okay, let's weigh this casting, because we always do that. 69 grams, not bad. Again, you need to remember, this is only the body is metal and the chassis is plastic, so you can't expect more weight on this particular casting. But it does look really cool. I mean, everything looks really nice on this. If you really like this particular scale, my suggestion would be get this specific one, because I didn't see any other brand actually doing this. It even has separate piece for the roll cage inside, as you can see here. That looks really nice. It has a little bit of scratches on the windshield, but that is specific to mine. Yours might not have, so don't worry on that. But it looks really good. I personally like this. So I really hated some Lamborghini castings, if you guys remember, more specifically, I think some by Majorette, and even some Hot Wheels. It looks really stupid because just because I love the car, I'm not going to support every brand which is doing that. If something is not good, I'm just going to mention it is not good. So, but this casting, it looks really beautiful. The accents, the detailing, everything looks really nice on this. So this is actually having a free rolling wheel. Oh my god. Okay, this actually rolls really good, even with rubber tires. We don't have a track this wide, so you need to bear with me, guys. This is how I am going to do roll test for this size castings. If I'm getting like wider track by luck or by any chance, or if you guys know where to get it, do let me know. I will buy one. I do need one wider track because there are some castings which I'm not able to do a roll test of, even the one is 64 ones. Okay, so let's rate this car, and we already crossed 11 minutes mark. So it has all the detailing to it, and again, so Bburago, it's always going to be, metal body and plastic chassis. So I don't see any other issue with it. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.